He knows where the fish will come. And when Jesus tells him, put your net out there, he says, you're telling me? I know this sea here. But he says, because you have said, I will do it. And he is amazed by the catch of fish. So he realizes, here's someone who knows much more than me. Though I am an expert here, he is much better than me. And he tells me, I'll call you now to be a fisher of men. My God, I'm a fisherman. How can I be a fisher of men like this? A fisher of fish, but of men. It's impossible. I don't know how to speak. I cannot stand in front of all these, intellectuals. What am I going to say to them? Tell them about fish? They'll laugh at me. This is what can go on. But he calls him. Why? Because his experiences are important for him to carry on his work, to be a leader. And today we saw one of these stints of leadership. Who do you say I am? He says, you are the Christ, Son of the living God. Now Jesus tells him, it's not you who have said it. It's my Father who has said it through you. So he said, what? Father has said it through me? Yes. So he says, I'm going to do something else now. You are rock. And on this rock, I will build my church. What is the church? Is it this building? It can be broken down, then it's all over. So many churches are being burned down in India because they are Christians. And no one cares about it. You think the church is over? No, that's not what the church means. The church is the body of Jesus. And all who are baptized are forming this body, just like as we have our body and all its parts. They're all integrated in my body. They cannot be separate. My body holds it all together. And so, Jesus is holding us all together in this guy called Peter, whom he has chosen and continues to be. And now we have Leo, the 14th. Through him, we know what's happening. We can see that. We can see the Spirit at work.